Kakong Santa Maria Chala kabadai ka MLA jong ka Sutanga Saipung constituency kaong ba ka sngewthu ya ka jingthmu jong ki seng bhalang bapher kiwei bat yakhun na kabanta ka ILP ka inline permit henry ka nikar komle jong ki seng bhalang pat kamdai pat dakum ka nikalenti ka bak yait ban shaphang yaki turis ki bathmu ban wan kai sha ka jala ka jongi kakong Santa Maria Chala kala ongru ba ka Khublei Shibun khamtam yaka sarkar ba kala dep ban pulut pensep ban shna ban panbhai ki jaka jong kai bat kala ongru ba ka kyrpad yaki seng bakin jai no namar banaga kam tourism ki pajba kileyo yaki kam ki jam Lada kilong ki barit ru.
Understand the sentiment of the pressure group like the ILP they need in the state, but this is not the correct way to get things done, and also it affects the tourism industry, in which the government had invested a lot of money creating infrastructure and entrepreneurs in the state, and our people only are earning the livelihood, they're getting something out of whatever the government had helped. So I think I would definitely like to urge the pressure group or whoever wants to do such things that if we do such things, we are stopping the earning of our people only. So therefore we should definitely not do such things, and I request them to take up steps in a proper way, in a proper channel, so that things can be done in a proper way. The pressure group have done not a good thing for the state, because the government has invested a lot of money in tourism infrastructure and helping the the entrepreneurs to develop and to create a livelihood for themselves. Now if we stop this, what will happen to those people who have taken loans from the bank and who have who had tried to create some livelihood they can earn for themselves? Now what will we do? How can we do such things to our own people? Now this is not fair, and the people who had done this should understand that we are creating issues. We are trying to not give an earning to our own people only. So therefore I urge them not to do such things, and also that our people, all the tourism we need is all from outside. From the state we don't have much, so we need people to pump in, and our people can earn something in their livelihood, because this affects not only to those people who have hotels or the tour, it affects indirectly to other small small stalls and small